June 22, 2025 by Samuel Peter Oye. In a recent open letter published by Radio Tamazuj, Dr. Sunday de John made an emotional appeal to Adat SALVA ki MAYARDIT, the daughter of President Salva Kiir, urging her to privately advise her father to rescue the nation from economic collapse and institutional decay. The appeal is well written, respectful in tone, and perhaps well-intentioned, but it is fundamentally flawed. It reflects the tragic normalization of personalized governance in South Sudan, where citizens are asked to rely on the kindness and influence of a president's daughter rather than the authority of public institutions or the power of the people. The letter turns a national crisis into a private affair. It places hope not in citizens, institutions, or the constitution crafting, but in the invisible influence of someone who holds no public office. This quietly affirms a dangerous idea that South Sudan is no longer governed by law, but by lineage. That its survival depends not on civic action or democratic reform, but on whether the right words are whispered in the family compound in J. 1. That is not leadership. That is captivity in another form. Adat SALVA ki may be a person of good character. Her humanitarian work through her foundation is commendable. But she is not an elected nor selected official. She was not chosen by the people. She does not speak on behalf of the citizens of South Sudan. Elevating her as the potential savior of the nation undermines the basic idea of democracy, where power and legitimacy come from the people, not from bloodlines, family names, or palace influence. A deeper problem exposed in DR. These are political problems that require political solutions, not quiet diplomacy within the president's family quarters. We must be clear, the culture of personalizing governance is the disease, not the cure. The same system that marginalizes institutions and concentrates power in private hands is what brought South Sudan to this crisis. South Sudanese are not subjects. They are citizens. They are not voiceless victims waiting to be saved by a daughter's plea. They are rightful owners of their country's future. To ask for change from the private corridors of J1 is to ignore the power of the people themselves. It is to surrender the republic to the realm of family rule. The struggle for South Sudan's liberation must now move beyond symbolism and soft appeals. It must move toward civic empowerment, institutional rebuilding, and popular resistance to all forms of authoritarianism, whether in uniform or behind the presidential gate. Let us not place our dreams in the hands of one family. Let us place them in our own hands, together. Because South Sudan does not belong to a few. It belongs to us all. The writer, Samuel Peter Oye, is a South Sudanese political activist, strategist, and commentator with over 2 decades of experience in governance and management.